Apple has a wide range of iPads now, ranging from the budget iPad from $349 all the way up to the iPad Pro, which is this model, the $1199 or so. So this version is the iPad Pro 256 M5, so the latest and greatest from Apple as of this filming. So we're gonna go over the unboxing experience. Spoiler alert, it's nothing new. It's typical Apple packaging. And we'll just kind of showcase the iPad and just go over what it's good for and just a quick synopsis of it. So this iPad is the Pro version, so it has the tandem OLED M5 series chip, and I believe it's 12 gigs of RAM. If you get the terabyte version, you do get a little bit more RAM, so that's a hidden feature there. The box comes with the usual. You have the warranty guide pouch, a braided USB-C cable that matches the color of the iPad, in this case, the space gray, and you get a charger. So that's everything that comes in the box, and we're going to go ahead and remove the protective plastic or the protective paper from the iPad and turn it on. So this is your modern iPad design. It's really thin, relatively light. This is the 13-inch model, so it's a really premium hold. The tablet's well built. It's really interesting how thin it is. So of course has all the latest features. USB-C, has a quad speakers on the side as you see there. This does not have Touch ID, it has Face ID. So the iPad Pros get Face ID and the cameras in the landscape orientation. That allows that to be possible. And we're going to set this up and showcase the tandem OLED as best I can. And just go over the state of iPad right now, because I know a lot of people are kind of torn on it on whether it's worth it or not. So let's go ahead and get into that. The iPad is Apple's attempt at making a portable computer as of this moment. So it has a lot of computer capabilities, multitasking and transfers and such, like typing and editing and stuff. You can do pretty much anything on here, but it is still limited by the architecture of iOS, because this is iPad OS, but it is essentially a opened up version of iOS. As you see, it just looks like a big iPhone pretty much. So a lot of the Pro users have always said that the hardware is plenty fast, and it is. It has an M5 chip in here, and it's plenty thin, as I'm showing you here. It's really thin. It's portable, especially if you put a folio case on it. You can get a full laptop experience on this. But a lot of the pros have complained that the iPad OS is limiting, and you can't really use the full capabilities of the M5 without running into limitations on the software side. So I'm just trying to showcase you here just like what I mean by a computer experience. So you have multiple apps over here. You can use a mouse to interact with these. In iOS 26, iPad 26, they introduced this kind of menu bar as I'm showing you here. You swipe down, you see the menu bar there. So it's more akin to Mac OS. So they're doing their best to make it a computer experience, but it's still limited on, for example, apps. You can't download any app you want. You have to get it from the App Store, and there's no exception. So any professional app, you just gotta hope that it's made for iPad. The app orientations are limited, so I believe you can only do like 3 or 4 apps at once, and the sizing is a bit wonky at times. As you see, I'm trying to showcase how this is. It's a little confusing, especially when it comes to managing multiple apps at once. So there's a lot of things that they still need to work on, but the hardware is definitely there, and I hope at iPad 27 they really start to open this up even more and just make it thrive. So if you have anything you want me to showcase on this, let me know and I'll do my best to get to it, because this is a really capable machine. You really should only get this if you're planning to do major work like pro editing or photography on the go. Otherwise, the iPad Air or even the base iPad can do plenty. So this thing is very niche in case of your work. I don't think it's worth the leisure part of it. So I hope this unboxing helped you. And if it did, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to help me make more videos like this. And let me know in the comments as well if there's anything you want me to showcase on the iPad, and I'll do my best. Peace.